Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming to our presentation. It's great to see you all, guys. We are from Group 5, Communication Philosophy, and the material that we're taking up for this presentation is about the effect of social communication caused by the use of philosophy. Let me introduce our members of the group. My name is Ahmad Rizky.
Hello, my name is Ainulia Pardija.
My name is Aisyah Imanda Nabila Maisa.
My name is Raniza Triawulia.
Alright, let me explain the first slide about social concept of philosophy. A philosopher named Peirce conveyed his pedagogism thought with received both criticism and support for him, namely that Peirce's opinion about philosophy should be practiced in a scientific spirit. Peirce, when compared to other famous champions in scientific philosophy, he is different because in his life, Peirce has traces as a scientist as well as a writer. Next slide. Peirce directly stated that philosophy is science or nonsense. That is what was stated in a letter addressed to William James, as well as by critically observing F.C.S. Schiller's humanistic agenda. He asserted that the science of philosophy must be very fair and without passion. The meaning of the phrase very fair and no passion is that it should not try or not really cover every aspect of human life that exists. And the next slide will be explained by my friend.
Articulation of Colapetro reservation. In order to thoroughly assimilate the work of philosophers with those of scientists, especially scientists in the scientific field, as peers of and wisest of us. There has been a tendency to mask the character of philosophy as a process of critical self-awareness as the participants in practice intersect with one another.
Some of Peirce's writing can be seen that in it Peirce identifies three basic views of science by distinguishing three differences in the use of the word science, which are as follows. First, according to the classical view, science is only created for some knowledge that still has limitations. Second, science also means systematic knowledge, meaning that science is understood as knowledge by people and can be recognized by its regular character. Third, Peirce claims that to practice science in the real world, which means concrete, that come from their own activities belongs to the right science. This provides guidance from questions guided by a desire to find a truth. In contrast, scientists' conception of science are based on ethical and social considerations. Between theory and practice, this time Peirce presents a pragmatist perspective on the relationship between theory and practice in articles entitled The Fiction of Belief, 1877, and How to Make Our Ideas Clear, 1878.
Peirce argues that the seeds of scientific inquiry can be traced of or re-examined in animal behavior. It allows us to be very aware of the fact that nature refuses to submit to the will we want. In our lives, we meet people who have opinions and beliefs that differ from us.
writing perspective based on the case study we choose, namely criticizing through murals, related to the perspective of the writing that we write, namely semiotic or semiose, which, according to what we observe, murals were used as a sign of public expression in expressing opinions, to criticize the performance and policies of the government as a regulator of a country.
Alright, the case study that we taking up is Mr. President Joko Widodo's face mural 404 not found, source CNN Indonesia. Next slide. Our group chose a case study that has recently been hotly discussed on social media, namely the mural criticism that resulted in the deletion of the work and the hand for the painter who painted the mural with the face of Mr. President Joko Widodo. Mural is a word that is quite foreign if heard by some ordinary people, but most of these people have actually seen firsthand what a mural is. Mural is a symbol of the freedom and rebellion to provide inspiration for artists in this industrial city. The message of the mural is expected to be heard by everyone, The message of the mural is expected to be heard by everyone who sees. Our group interprets this philosophy has always taken a very important role in life, because according to our group, consciously or not, that the application of this philosophy will continue, such as what our group associates with semiotic, which belongs to this part of philosophy, which us is a form of science. Therefore, it is important for us to study science doctrine, so that our insight from knowledge will continue to grow, even our thinking power to be able to analyze or our sensitivity to the circumstances around us is increasing. So, for example, the case studies that our group raised, even their money and various other cases that we can analyze out there with our sensitivity and understanding of the condition around us, it will be even more effective. Thank you very much for your great attention, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for your listening. May all this we have shared be beneficial for all of us. Thank you so much for your attention. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you guys.